Today we are here for the outdoor class of SEPS and
What is scenario of outdoor activity?
know where the gate number 3? What do you suggest if we come here with the cricket bat and ball? Can we play here cricket?
And I'm very excited here.
My students are hanging in this park taking pictures.
दिन ब दिन इसी वजह से कराची की खासकर खराब है कि यहाँ पे
The main problems are that we are in a hyperinflation society right now.
दावत इस्लामी जो है ये काम कर रही है.
Hassan, which footballer do you like? He says, okay, show him again, show him again. He's a fan of Ronaldo.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, the viewers of social media. Today we are going to the outdoor activity from the SEP Skill Enhancement Program.
Previous class, sir, my beloved sir Abdul Basit was saying that we are going to outdoor activity. I will request you, you are joining us and go for outdoor activity.
الصبح بدا من طلعته والليل دجى.
Oh, the viewers of social media, today we are here for the outdoor class of SEP English Enhancement Program of Level 4. We are at the Nisar Shaheed Park.
चेहरे से तेरे.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam.
How are you? Fine?
Fine, alhamdulillah. Why are you coming?
Sir, we are coming here for our English class and outdoor activity of our English. Sir, you know that English is necessary at that time.
Yes.
And English help us to speak more and English help us to speak at any place. Sir, if we come here and if we not know English and if we go to any other countries, so we cannot speak English, so we cannot able to talk with
Do you
others.
learn outdoor activity?
Yeah.
Do you learn outdoor activity?
Yeah, we learned outdoor activity. Our teacher is come with us and
What is scenario of outdoor activity?
Sir, the scenario of the outdoor activity is that we are here for speaking. We have so many talks, we have so many dares. We go and ask the persons about the gate. Suddenly, we can do that. We can do the persons, 2 or 3 persons. We ask about where is the gate number 3. Sir, Assalamu alaikum. Sir, you know where the gate number 3?
Gate number 1.
Yeah.
2.
At this side? Thank you so much. They was told us about the gate. You know,
What is your surname?
Sir Abdul Basit, he is the best teacher of SCP. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
let's go.
We are going to offer Namaz-e Asr. First we make ablution and after that we are offering Namaz-e Asr. We will meet inshallah after Namaz-e Asr.
और राहनुमा है शरीअत के. अल्लाह अल्लाह अल्लाह
Barakatuh. We are in Nisar Shaheed Park at Clifton. We have come there. Now our sir has divided us in 4 groups and 3 groups, and my group has 4 persons: Masood, me, Fahad, and Hassan. So
بإشارته.
See, we watching ducks and macaw parrots.
इशारे पेड़ चल
Now we are watching another places. Let's go.
से पत्थर बोल उठे और चांद हुआ है 2 टुकड़े अंगुष्ठ के एक.
after observing the surroundings, now we are going back to our sir. Now we will tell what we observed. Now let's see. Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Another group is back. They done activity. Let's ask them how are their activity. Sir, where did you go? Yeah, we have go to the animals area.
Yeah.
We saw that macaw parrots and
Another person is back, done his activity.
Assalam warahmatullah. Yes, sir.
How are you, man?
I am fine, and also
Yeah, I'm good.
you?
Alhamdulillah. Wonderful. How is the weather?
Beautiful weather.
Beautiful weather. So, Assalamu alaikum, brother.
Walaikum salam.
How are you, man?
I am fine, and are you?
Alhamdulillah. Masood bhai is here. Masood was hanging in this park. So, I will ask, what did Masood notice here?
First of all, sir was divided in different teams. My team together 4 person. Zeb bhai, Fahd bhai, Hassan bhai, and Masood. There are 4 team members. We are looking the amazing place. This is a children playground.
Okay.
This is a many children playing the different swings like round swing and different swings. The parents are children both playing. This is a beautiful moment.
So,
I am very excited.
what do you suggest if we come here with the cricket bat and ball? Can we play here cricket?
I will suggest you, do you know play cricket, because this is a family park. Many families are, many children are moving here and there. So it's a very dangerous. You
So-
come only and eating food, fast food, and walk. This is lot of place.
Okay, so this, according to our Masood brother, he's saying this park is not for playing games like football, cricket, and things. You come here, enjoy, take seats, talk to people, and enjoy the moments of your life. That's what we are doing according to our level. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Brother Hasnain is here doing activity from the SCP. He will have some words with me. He wants.
First of all, I would like to grateful you, sir, because you gave me these opportunity, and I am very excited here. I learned many things in this park, and first of all, I learned about English. I know about English, so it's, sir, your goodness.
Yeah, thank you. It's my pleasure having you wonderful students. Show them what they are doing. My students are hanging in this park, taking pictures and enjoying the moments. So let's move to a different activity. We will have, inshallah, Azza wa Jalla activity number 2. Stay tuned. Keep watching. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
Welcome, sir.
Walaikum salam.
How are you? Are you fine?
I'm fine.
Yeah, sir. Today we are here for our outdoor class and for talking to the pupils. We have some targets, and so, sir, I want to talk to you about the topic plantation, the trees. Sir, what's your thinking about that? That plantation is important for us or not?
ट्री तो हमारे समझे एक तरह से बुनियाद है।
Yeah.
अगर देखा जाए तो ट्री लगना बहुत ज़रूरी है, और यहाँ पर आपको पता है पाकिस्तान में ट्रीज कोई काटा जा रहा है और प्लांटेशन बर्बाद कर दी जा रही है, जिसकी वजह से एटमॉस्फेयर बहुत बर्बाद है। आप देख रहे हैं बारिश नहीं है,
Yes, sir.
और बहुत ज़्यादा हालात दिन ब दिन इसी वजह से कराची की खासकर ख़राब है कि यहाँ पे बिल्कुल भी सांस लेना भी मुश्किल है।
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Sir, may I know your good name?
My name is Mohammad Waqas.
So, sir, how are you?
I am fine.
So, I'm here for the activity we are doing for our language class. So, I want to ask you about the financial problems in the Pakistan. What is the solution? What is the solution of it? How can we get rid of from it?
No, I think the main problems are that we are in a hyperinflation society right now. Our economy is going downwards, and our income is stagnant. That's why our expenses are so much that we cannot cope up with our income. That's the main reason.
I'm searching the people here whom we can talk in English. So let's find out the people.
What is the reason Pakistani people doesn't like to speak English?
Because people are not educated here. When we go there and we want to talk to them in English, they feel afraid or they just feel very hesitated because English is not common here.
Assalamu alaikum. How are you, sir?
I'm good.
Sir, first of all, I will come in this park for outside activity from SCP enhancement program.
Okay.
It's a institute of FGRF Dawat Islam.
Okay.
My question is that why does plantation is necessary for us?
बहुत ज़रूरी चीज़ है ये, और बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आप लोग आए, और दावत इस्लामी जो है ये काम कर रही है। लेकिन कहने का मकसद ये है कि हर एक बंदा हम में से अलग अलग ऑक्यूपेशन रखता है, अलग अलग मसरूफियात रखता है। चाहता हर कोई है कि ऐसा हो, लेकिन ऐसा हो नहीं रहा। तो बाय द वे, ये जो हम लोगों ने, आप लोग सारी यूथ खड़ी हो, मुझे अच्छा लगा कि आप यूथ जो है उन्होंने आगे की हुई है कि आप जो है ये चीज़ आगे लेके चलो और लोगों से पूछो कि वो इंटरेस्टेड हैं आपके साथ। हाँ यार, प्लांटेशन बहुत ज़रूरी है, और इसके लिए आपको एक चीज़ और नॉलेज आपको बहुत ज़रूरी होनी चाहिए कि कौन सा प्लांट, कौन सी जगह पे कौन सा प्लांट इस्तेमाल हो सकता है। बड़ी चीज़ें।
Thank you, बहुत शुक्रिया sir. Thank you sir. Still searching the people like who can speak English to us. It's very hard, especially in Karachi. I chose this area. I thought I can easily find the people who can speak English here, but still we are in trouble. We cannot find the people who can speak English. Let's. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. We have a amazing student here. What's your good name?
Hassan.
Hassan. Hassan Yusuf. Hassan, what are you doing here?
I am playing football here.
Oh, mashallah.
I come daily.
You come daily for playing football here. That's good. Hassan, which footballer do you like? He says, okay, show him again, show him again. He's a fan of Ronaldo.
I have a question. Have you met with Ronaldo?
Do you have a
I
dream
wish
to? Oh, he wished to meet Mr. Cristiano Ronaldo, I think. Okay, he plays for Portugal.
Yes.
So I thought yesterday they lost the match. Did you saw?
Quarter-final.
Yeah, did you see the match?
Versus France.
Yeah. So what will you become in future? What's your goal?
Footballer.
A footballer. Okay. But as we see, there are no such academies or the places where you can train
I'll
yourself.
go out of country.
You go out of country for playing football. Okay. In which country would you like to go?
Spain, Italy.
Okay. Tell me the any city name of Spain.
Spain, Barcelona.
Okay.
Madrid.
And Madrid.
They
That's
should-
it. And the second, Italy. Tell me the name of.
Italy, Milan or Rome. Bus.
That's good, mashallah. The good thing about this kid can speak English, can understand English. I'm searching people here to whom we can talk, but we hardly find a kid who can, mashallah, at least speak English.
So viewer, this is our mini outdoor activity. If you like the video, then subscribe to our channel. Jazakallah.
नेमत का खजीना है मौला।